Today we're going to go over a Swing Shuriken True Hyper for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the 5th True Hyper kick for level 2.7. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your cheat Shuriken True Hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So this move is similar to the Swing Shuriken Snap Hyper that we learned earlier, but this time we're landing on just a kicking leg instead of both legs at the same time. And this move is good to get because it's going to help you obtain, I guess, a Swing Zero Shuriken True Hyper later on, which will eventually build up to a True Hyper Tsunami kick. And before I break this move down, I just kind of want to know what motivates you to trick every day. Let me know in the comments down below. Let's run it. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, kind of looking at your target, or not. You're going to bring your swing leg up and then bring it back down. Bring your cheat leg up, throwing your outside crescent kick. Jump around 180 degrees, landing on the kicking leg, finishing the move in a frontside stance. Now don't forget, you can do this move with a spin into it, you can do it with a follow through at the end, or you can do it with a spin and fall through together. And I do recommend getting all these because for combinations it is going to help out a lot. And as for tips, you want to make sure that you're keeping your non-kicking leg bent as you kick. This will make the shuriken more pronounced and also help you land a trick without both legs landing at the same time. As for drills, you can kind of just lay on your back, bring your shuriken leg up and then back around like so. As for progressions, you want to make sure that you have your Swing Shuriken Snap Hyper. If you do not, click right there for that tutorial. But other than that, let's go ahead and check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons that are supporting this curriculum. If you're enjoying this curriculum and if it's helping you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because it'd be dope to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz. Yay.